These are so quick and so easy, peanut butter Nutella cookie cups.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for yoyomax12.
Hello everyone, I had this roll of chocolate chip cookie dough in the fridge that was getting ready to expire, so I thought I'd use it for something, and I found this recipe in a magazine. You can also use peanut butter cookie dough for this. What you do is just take a small amount of it and press it into the bottom of a mini muffin tin. Bake them for about 15 minutes or so until they're golden brown. Then as soon as they come out of the oven, take a measuring spoon and press down the centers because they puff up quite a bit while they're baking. Press down the centers until you get a little cup shape again. Allow them to go for about 15 minutes or so, and then put some peanut butter in a Ziploc bag with the corner cut off. I mean, you can use a spoon if you want to, but this is so much easier. Put a dollop of peanut butter in the bottom of each cup, and then a dollop of Nutella or Nutella, depending on where you live. You could also use caramel, you could put peanut butter and jam, you could put whatever you want in the center, but Nutella and peanut butter are just meant to be together. Then once you get the Nutella in all the cups, you just sprinkle on whatever kind of decorations you want. I'm using miniature M&Ms. The recipe in the magazine that I found this in used trail mix, but the trail mix that had the M&Ms in it, so it was very colorful. I did some with sprinkles as well. And there they are. If you eat these while they're still kind of warm, the chocolate and the peanut butter inside is melty and it's so really good. These make a really cute, fast little treat that you can make with kids easily because it's so easy to do. Store these at room temperature in a covered container. Now, if you have cookie dough in your fridge that you want to use up, you may want to try these chocolate chip popcorn bars. These are so good. It has a chocolate chip cookie base and like a marshmallow chocolate popcorn on the top of them. They really are absolutely delicious. If you want to see this recipe, go ahead and click right on your screen or look for the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching.